Nakwaba Ediba, your favorite YouTube channel, Striker Exclusive, Striker STRYKER Exclusive. And as we are now watching for matches ever through Europe. Now, before some matches in the room, now you can home and some. The other say page, over subscribe, no share. Ama unia so etimi no ahwe unia so hwebi no so subscribe wa share na obi so etimi anya binti subscribe and share on Striker Exclusive ho and information is opinion na the best betting odds ni nyina no ho and dey be free e dey abro nti ye dey ba twen.
This is our continuous coverage of the Ghana Premier League. And this is a fixture that involves two sides. One seeking to get a 26th title, the other seeking to be maintained in LA. So it's a start here at the Accra Sports Stadium. Asante Kotoko make any possible run here. Great opportunity, flag is up already. And it's offside against Kotoko. Early incursions and Asante Kotoko seemingly dictating the pace of this game.
Free kick echo, referee play on. Advantage free kick for Accra Lions. Accra Lions 6 wins in 26 matches. Free kick at Accra Lions 5 minutes. Bakumino abone 10-10 also there be goalkeeper abone 10-10 abone Koni Faso. Asante Kotoko Mantini Krabono Pian Adiache Tiabosuno now so there be.
Look again at the whole build up, came off the post. It was a missed kick initially, but he ended up hitting it back. Gildas Awate.
His recovery was so quick. I mean, his anticipation that the ball was going to come back and then get that past the goalkeeper was very, very good.
His sense of reasoning and judgment was so much on point here for the Lions. And finally, they are 1-0 up against Asante Kotoko. And this basically describes the irony of football.
A lovely pass and chance for Asante Kotoko. No, should that be? Apatamua. Kakete Kotekano. Former winning 5 matches, a draw 4 games. The last time Kotoko Elusu against Accra Lions, beautiful play, lovely pass, and so passionate Timanko. Wajabodi akoma lacking one for about short. Abetamwa, Amwe Raboxunu, about a 10 now so there be a corner kick. Kick for Fabulous. Rabona so there be a Kalam Rantana Pimboni the few, Bonabedi Patrick Asiedu. Asiedu Jamodi Aquakoma. Michael Sefa Body at Tiaboxunu.
As the Lions have seen the best so far, a very promising run. Good surveillance, straight to the right hand side. Oh, it's the second goal here for Accra Lions. And Asante Kotoko will concede again.
Going on from here, I mean, they would have to come back from those 2 goals first. But given their recent performances up front, I don't think they look like they want to even score a goal. Because they get up front and then they're a bit too rushed. That was a perfectly timed run. It was a very good goal.
Great goal there from Sokuli, who makes it 2 here for Accra Lions. The league leaders have been found wanting. So silky. Good one here from Accra Lions, seeking to get their third. Poor communication. Go for the third. Oh. Away from 2, away from 3. Back again here for Asante Kotoko. Amwa lights up across. Also the whistle will go for what has been
Daniel Ajete. Daniel Ajete abone 10 now so there be. Chelsea. It will be 23. And I have Brandon Iti. And David Olupi Akin Tunde. Washa Nisakengo Akin Tunde. Tunde